This is CapCut right here, and you'll be surprised on how many AI features this app has. I know that a lot of you guys use Adobe Premiere Pro, and I used to have it, but they locked you in for a yearly contract. I wasn't really happy about that. So let me show you this feature that I have never used, but I just noticed it today. AI music. So I'm gonna write here soft piano music with tension, whatever that means. Now I'm gonna hit generate just to see what it comes up with, and let's see how good this is. All right, here we go. So we have the first option. They go for 1 minute, which is not bad at all. So I'm gonna click on it. That's pretty good. That's so good. I'm actually very impressed. I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting something average. Not that this is amazing, but it's pretty impressive, right? It took a couple of seconds. Now I'm gonna try this prompt, dance Latin electronic advertising, whatever that is, and listen to this. How good is that? And what I love about this is that you can use this for your reels, for the content that you're creating as a background music. So it's pretty good.